Alright, so we came out here in the snow to play. Thank you. And it's not very fun. John, throw the frisbee and show everyone why it's not very fun.
You gotta get it? Go over there. Okay.
Because the dog can't move. Come on, Baloo!
So it makes him think he can stand, and then he can't.
Get it! Get it faster!
This is probably gonna hurt me too. Oh, wow.
What are you gonna do? Ooh, you're like an elf!
On top of it right now.
You're like Legolas. Alright, do your thing.
I was just gonna. This is probably gonna hurt now since this spot is so hard.
Do it.
But
He's so. I missed it! I missed it! I didn't know you were gonna do it.
It hurt a lot.
You have to do it again.
This spot is rather solid.
You have to do it again.
Oh, why?
Because I didn't get it.
I can't get up!
Ralphie!
Help! I'll do it in a softer spot.
Okay.
Look, I can actually walk on top of it here. Not really, but here. It's softer over here.
Alright.
Blue, come here. I'll throw it to you first. Oh. Yeah.
John! You have to alert me when you're gonna do it. Again.
Again?
Again.
Why?
Because I missed it. You have to warn me.
No, I have to.
You have to say 1, 2, 3.
It just gets me deeper. And I don't want to touch it. My hands get cold. What if I did it from the hill?
From the hill?
Yeah, like fell off the...
That would hurt.
There's snow in my hands.
Don't be a baby. Just fall over.
Not here. Alright.
Poor puppy.
1, 2, 3. Oh!
Again.
It's not comfortable at all because my pants are getting cold.
But it is kind of like memory foam.
Not really. Oh.
That dog is struggling.